Hello, everyone. This is Monica Reinagel, the Nutrition Diva, here with your quick and dirty tips for eating well and feeling fabulous. Although the sun is going down earlier these days and temperatures are getting frigid, it always lifts my spirits to see all the houses and gardens in my neighborhood lit up with festive lights and holiday decorations. No matter which winter holidays you celebrate, seasonal decor is a nice way to brighten up the darkest days of the year, and it can even be nutritious. Those traditional garlands made from popcorn and fresh cranberries are not only lovely in a homespun kind of way, but they're also very high in antioxidants. Popcorn has always been a favorite snack around my house. It's high in fiber, low in sugar, and you can crunch your way through a giant bowl of this stuff for the same number of calories as you'd get in a small handful of potato chips. Plus, it's a surprisingly good source of antioxidants, providing twice as many polyphenols per serving as many common fruits. Now, I want you to skip the prepackaged microwave popcorn because most are made with harmful chemicals, artificial colors and flavors, and an excessive amount of salt. It's cheaper, healthier, and more delicious to make your own using my recipe for healthy microwave popcorn. And you'll find a link to that in the transcript for today's show, which is at nutritiondiva.quickanddirtytips.com. When shopping for popcorn kernels, look for the yellow ones. They're higher in antioxidants than white. And if you can find blue or purple popcorn, you have hit the polyphenol jackpot. Cranberries are another seasonal superstar, ranking near the top of the list in terms of high antioxidant fruits. In particular, cranberries are rich in anthocyanins, the same pigments that make blueberries and other berries so good for you. And cranberries are also extremely low in sugar. Normally, this would be a good thing, but with cranberries, it's a bit of a catch. Cranberries are usually prepared with lots of added sugar to offset that natural tartness. A quarter cup of dried cranberries, for example, contains about 4 teaspoons of added sugar. Fresh whole cranberries, prepared with a minimum of added sugar, are the healthiest way to enjoy the nutritional benefits of cranberries. And you can make a lot of wonderful things with fresh cranberries beyond the ubiquitous cranberry orange relish. Martha Stewart, for example, has a great recipe for a cranberry avocado salsa made with fresh cranberries, avocado, onion, lime juice, and just a touch of honey. Or try adding a handful of fresh whole cranberries to any vegetable curry dish. Cranberries would also be a natural fit with richer flavored meat like rabbit or lamb. And although you may have to hunt for them a bit, you can also find unsweetened dried cranberries to add to your granola, muffins, or trail mix. And you'll find links to lots of recipes in today's transcript. While I do suggest that you set aside some popcorn and cranberries to enjoy as healthy snacks, I don't suggest eating the garland that's been hanging on the tree all month. Instead, drape it around a small tree or bush out in your yard when you're done with it, and you'll give the birds a wintertime treat. Although today's show is about edible holiday decor, please don't eat the mistletoe. Although an extract of mistletoe is being studied as an alternative cancer therapy, and it may have some benefits in ameliorating side effects of chemotherapy, eating the plant itself can make you, as well as your dogs and cats, ill. So hang that mistletoe high out of reach and kiss your loved ones beneath it. Thanks for another wonderful year. I hope you took every opportunity to eat well and feel fabulous in 2013. If you have questions or suggestions for topics that you'd like me to tackle in the new year, post them on my webpage or on the Nutrition Diva Facebook page. And if you're in the market for a New Year's resolution, check out my previous episode on setting yourself up for success. And if you've overdone it a little over the holidays, don't fret. Just check out my episode on improving your nutritional grade point average. You'll find links to all of these episodes along with the entire Nutrition Diva archives at nutritiondiva.quickanddirtytips.com. This is Monica Reinagel with the warmest wishes for a safe and happy holiday and a healthy new year.